A MOTORTREND certified vehicle also comes with windshield repair. Now, this is not windshield replacement, but should you get a star or a crack that's not in the driver's line of sight, because if it's in the driver's line of sight, the state requires that your insurance company replace that windshield. But if it's on the passenger side, we will fix the star or crack as long as it's no bigger than usually about $50. Instead of you having to pay $75 or $100 to get it fixed, we'll make sure you get it fixed at absolutely no cost to you. And when you fix a star or a crack early, it keeps it from spreading to the point where you have to replace the windshield. And when you have to replace the windshield, well, you know how this works. You're going to have to file a claim with your insurance company, which normally means the rates are going to go up. And there may be, on your comprehensive portion of your insurance, up to a $500 deductible. So the windshield repair will keep you from having to suffer those expenses.